Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain why Vitals is the best Shopify app ever. And this is a very bold statement, I know, but I will prove in this video why I love this app and why I have been recommending this app since 2018 to my clients. So the story is that I have been working as a Shopify expert since 2018, and I have worked on different apps. I have recommended different apps. I have implemented custom coding for my clients, but one thing is common throughout this year, and the app that has been consistent throughout these years, and that is Vitals app. So I have been recommending to a lot of clients, and they were satisfied. I haven't found any single client who was not happy with the results. So luckily, I got a chance to speak with the officials of Vitals app, and they were really supportive, and they were kind enough to give me a special favor that if someone signs up through your link, he or she will get a 10% discount plus extended 40-day trial. So 40-day free trial if you sign up through my link. But if we just ignore the story of 10% discount or the additional like extended discount, still this app is the king. And I have several years have passed, and I have been consistent with recommending this app. So this is the link I will put in the description of this video, or if you open any of my video, you will find the link here. Both sales with Vitals, 10% off plus extended trial. And this is the link, vitals.app/shopify/mujtaba. So this is the app. So I will install this app, and I will show you why I like this app so much and why I endorse it to my clients, and why I personally feel that this is the best Shopify app and the cheapest app. The reason is because you get like 40 plus apps in a single app, and it covers almost all of your marketing needs that you need, like stick add to cart. If you want any marketing related apps, basically covers most of the stuff, and even product reviews, it covers product reviews as well. So let's start, and I will show you step by step how this app is useful for you, and then I will wait in the comments what feature do you actually like about this app. And if you find any issue in the app, you can personally comment with me, comment in the video, and I will be in contact with the officials directly to resolve that issue. So there's a good chance for you that you test the app for the freely for the 40 days, and then you get a 10% discount when you purchase the plan after the trial is ended. And then obviously, if you feel any issue, you can just leave a comment. So I think that's enough for the introduction, and let's start with the app. So this is the app, and let's add it to my development store. So I'm testing it on development store. You can test it on live store, doesn't matter. So you have to click on add app, and then let me select my account. So I'm showing you how you can avail the 10% discount actually. So if you just click on the link that I show you, then it will take you to log into your store, and then the steps for the installation are similar like the remaining Shopify apps. That's not a rocket science. You have to click on install, and this app will be installed in your store, and you will be surprised to see an app which contains like 40 plus apps in a single app. So also you will get a 10% discount. That's the best thing. So it will you have to enter your card, or if you're using a development store, you can just start the trial freely. In some cases it will ask you for the card, otherwise you don't have to enter your card details. You can just start the 40-day free trial, and then you can just check out the features of the app. So I don't know why it's taking too much time today for the installation of the app. I think it's some issue with my internet connection, but I'll make sure to cover all the stuff today, not pause the video, not uh, make in parts. I want to show you all the features that are included in the app. So I have installed the app, and as you can see, this is a layout. If I have signed up using my link, so the discount will be applied automatically once the free trial is ended. Currently I have the 40 free days just to test the app. So this is how the app look like. And as you can see, this is the layout that you will see. This is like the home page of the app, and you will see all the stuff here. But the magic happens here, and this apps, all the apps you can find here, and you will surprised to see the apps that are so useful. And you will find all the apps in a single price, and this is $30, but with a 10% discount if you sign up using my link. And as you can see, all the apps you can see, you can find almost every app that you need for your store. And they have launched some AI features as well, like AI background remover, AI image expand, AI image with video, AI product page audit, and a marketing plan, page generator, product descriptions, video generation, obviously photo shoot. But for this video I'm not covering this AI stuff. This is something we will not need for our tutorial. And as you can see, all the AI stuff they have filled it for their app dashboard. But currently we only need the app that Vitals is famous for. So you can select a plan from here, and integration preferences. Let me show you some integrations and then preferences, and then we will move towards the apps, the thing that is important. So you can connect your Klaviyo account, and then the Mailchimp account or Omnisend account, just to capture the emails. And they are the partners with the InstaFeed. Like if you are installing the Vitals app, obviously the InstaFeed is really helpful. And then they have some partnership with Pagefly and all other stuff. And then you have the plan, then you have the preferences. So you can see the language, lazy load images. Yes, you have to enable the lazy load image or direct your theme settings. And I think there's nothing to discuss about it. We will move towards the main thing, that is the apps. And you will be happy to see that the integration is super easy. You don't have to hire any developer for this stuff, for the integration of these apps. So my apps, there is no app currently, no, by default they have been like this. They change this stuff. By default, they have enables like visitor replace, related products, and content production, recent reviewed, and wish list. So by default, they have enabled these apps for me. I can deactivate them later on. But currently, let's go towards the main apps that uh, I want to cover each and every app step by step. So sticky add to cart. This is the first app. As you can see, this is for the UX. The conversion app and sticky add to cart, you normally install a separate app and you pay monthly plan, but this app is included in this app, Vitals app. And you just have to enable this app and it will just do the magic. Then you can customize it later on. But currently I personally feel you don't have to customize the apps. They serve most of the purpose. So mobile location is bottom, style is complete, show on mobile devices. And when user starts scrolling, it should show and show price. Yes, I want to show price. I want to show quantity selector. No, I don't want to show views. And then you can adjust the bar height, button size. And I don't think so I have to change another stuff. I'm happy with my black button color. So I will click on save, and I will check how this actually looks like on the uh, original website. So as you can see, let's scroll down and see if it is working or not. Let the website load, and then we will see how this app actually works. So I don't know what's not working. Let's check in the real time. It's not working when users start scrolling. I'm just trying to show desktop location should show. I don't know. I'm not trying to pause the video and do the stuff, something like this. I think I need to check whether I have installed the right theme or not, because I personally feel it is not detecting the theme correctly. So let's see if it has detected the theme correctly. So this I'm also showing you uh, the settings. If you see, if you encounter any issue, apologies, I had to pause the video because I wasn't able to figure out the issue, and I'm really ashamed of it. But the issue was that I haven't enabled the app in the theme customization, and this is really necessary for Shopify 2.0. So if you see any issue in any app, remember you have to enable the app in the theme customization. So I just enabled the app and it works. So you have to open theme customization and click on app embeds, and then you have to activate the app from here, and then click on save. Then the app will show in the real theme. So as you can see, I have on the product page, you can see the sticky add to cart button, and it is working really fine. You can customize it. You can just delete the variants, and you can customize it at your choice. So this app is working perfectly. So let's move towards another apps. So I hope there will be no issue for now. So sticky add to cart, obviously you can customize the stuff. You can change the button color and all other stuff. You can change padding, etc. And yeah, I think there's no settings for padding, I guess. Yeah. So if you want to enable the padding, you can just leave a comment and I will give you the code for it. But currently, I think it's not necessary that you adjust the padding. Okay. So sticky add to cart is done, and then we will move towards the related products. I have related products already enabled on this device. Customers who also bought this, and as you can see, it is also enabled by the Vitals app, and you can disable the theme by default product recommendation. Okay, and you can also change the related product setting. This is not something you can't edit individual product sets and same collection, same product type. This is the criteria. You can change the criteria, and you can also just change the title. You can select the section title alignment and related products limit, hide out of stock products. This is also, you don't have to code this stuff. You can just select this one, and you can also adjust the manual placement if you want. You can just click on the custom css and add the code, but I believe I haven't used this stuff. It was not required for me. As far I have worked with the client store. And then individual product set, you can select the product individual, create the product sets, and you can create the global product set. But currently the by default settings work really fine. So this is about the related products. This is for the second app now, and let's move towards the third app, which is recently viewed. But if you scroll like 2 to 3 products, this works. So currently it's not required. It will show you once we scroll like 2 to 3 products in the store. We scroll the store and we open a product, then we close that product and we open second product, third product. It will create a section for us recently viewed. So animated add to cart, this is one of the best thing that is added in this app, and I have created a separate code for specifically this feature as well, and I have uploaded it in my channel, and you will see that video before this video will be uploaded. So animated add to cart, you can enable it within the Vital app. So every app within a single app, and I have activated this app. I don't have to do anything else. You can change the animation style, like you can. Jello shake wobble. So this is really cool to grab the customer attention. So I personally like bounce tab, and flow zoom in is also perfect. Okay, let's add the zoom in and click on save, and let's see if it will work or not. So let the website be loaded, and then we will see if whether it is working or not, because the animated add to cart will only work once the website is fully loaded. So let's check again whether it is showing or not. And as you can see, if you scroll down, then it shows. So I think I have to update this setting. This setting is not something I'm looking for. So again, I'll go to the customization. I will delay before playing animation. So this delay is too much. So I think the delay should be like 4 seconds. Leave, and then we will select the bounce one, because I believe 10 seconds is too much. It's taking too much time just to do the loading and all the other stuff. Let's see how it now looks. So the 4 seconds are paused. Let load, and as you can see, this is bouncing again and again. After 4 seconds, it will bounce like again. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, that's bounce. So I think it should be like 7 seconds. 4 is again too much. So, but this app works fine, and all the animation style works perfectly. So the conversion, the third one, and animated. So favicon card and the card counts. This is one of the things that you more normally don't see in the apps. Your favicon. This is the favicon, and this fav icon is changed to the total amount of products in your cart. So this is really helpful that user will get an idea how many products are in my cart. Like for example, if I add to the cart and then again I try to add it to cart, so there are two products in the cart now. Okay, so I will enable this app. So I can cart count. So I can cart count. Then I will activate this app. This is my favorite thing. But this is something you don't need, but once it is implemented, you think that this is the best thing. Yes. So you will be surprised to see how helpful this is for your customers, just to grab their attention. So let's see. So this is very detailed tutorial, and as you can see, two. So fav icon is changed by two, and the products in the cart. So this is a very detailed tutorial. If you are bored, you can just grab your popcorn and soft drink, and then you can continue watching this tutorial because this will be very lengthy tutorial. In negative tab message, so this is something reduce cart abandonment by dramatically modifying the browse title when the visitor navigates around. So this was something like this. As you can see, don't forget this. So as you have seen on most sites that if you just pass through the website and leave it abandoned, leave it inactive, so it shows you the message that you forgot something or something like this. So let's implement it also. Don't forget this. This is a very simple message, and this showed if you just leave the website. Okay, and wish list is implemented by default, and you can see when you activate this app and wish list icon shows here, and you can also shows the wish list button in the menu item. So for example, if I want to add the product in the wish list, it will be added to the wish list, but where you will see the wish list, so this is the heart icon. You will see the where you will see the wish list item. All the wish list items will be shown here by default, and you can also change the location if you don't like this heart in the menu item. But a person like you can just copy the URL and add it in the menu item. So like after the track your order, you can add wish list. So people will know that if they wish list any product, like you have 100 products in the store and someone wish list your product and they like that product that they will purchase later on, so they will also click on wish list and they will get an idea in the menu item that these are the products that they have wish list. So currently I like this heart, but I'm just telling you, if you can just, if you want to add it as a menu item, you can just copy this URL and add it in the menu item, in the menu. Okay, so this is how wishlist work, and it also has a lot of settings. Currently I will try my best to just fast forward this app because there are a lot of apps, and to explain each and every setting is not typically possible. But you can adjust the settings, and you can change the page title of the wish list and save your products later. You can adjust all the settings, and obviously you can change the placement and all the stuff. So by default, buy button section, it will automatically be added to the buy button section. You can also edit it to product and section or after the product description. But I personally feel that buy button is the best place for it. So this was about wish list, and now let's move towards the next tab, which is the stock scarcity. So scarcity is something you should add if you're especially running a dropshipping store. Even if you're not running dropshipping store, this is something you should implement just to create a scarcity for the customers. So stock scarcity. So sorry for the pronunciation. So activate app. And one thing you have noticed about the Vitals app, that the implementation for any app is super easy. You don't have to indulge with the coding and all of the stuff. You just click on activate app and it will be done. So I will just make this tutorial a little faster, because if you just try to explain each and every app, obviously it will take a lot of time, like more than an hour. So as you can see, you can select the dot, you can select. So this is how it will look like. Hurry, only 2 units left in stock, and it will only show you once the inventory is below 50, otherwise it won't show. So this is how it will show. If you want to implement the bar, it will look something like this, and you can change the colors of the stuff, and this will be shown by button section above the section. Okay, so you will click on save and it will be shown on the product. Okay, so I will not show you the live theme again and again for each app, because just to save the time. stock scarcity, countdown timer. So you can also, for the discounted products, like if the product is on sale, you can just add the countdown timer like 20 minutes are left, and then you can add the. So this is also kind of a scarcity that you show your customers that the sale will end in like 6 days, 5 days, something like this. So I will show this one. Only show the countdown timer for products that are currently discounted. It will only show the products for the discounted one. And I personally like the progress circles. And you can also add like countdown starts at this date and ends at this date. So it will be manual countdown for you. But if you don't add this one, it will create automatically the countdown. So I will go with automatic settings and sale ending in, like it will show you it will add the settings itself. So I personally feel that you should add the date and start and ending date, because it will make the thing real for your customers. Otherwise your customers will see that 6 days are left, and then they will again see after 6 days again it will show the 6 days are left. So it makes the store a little fake. So I would recommend that you add the timer manually. Okay, this is how it works. I'm just going you a little demo of each and every app in this Vitals app, because I have already shown you the settings of some apps in detail. So you will have an idea. You would have an idea that how this Vitals app actually works. You just have to activate the app and it will work for you. So shipping information, like if you can add the shipping information manually, like how much time it will take to ship to UK, US, and something like this. I don't want to activate this app for now. I don't want to activate the size chart. If you want to activate it, you have to just activate this app. And currently for my store, it is not useful, but I will show you how you can create a size chart. For example, uh, you can just upload the image for the size chart. You can create the table, something like this, and you can select if you want to select it for a specific product or for all products. So currently it is not required, but I have been showing you that this option is also available in the app. Just this tutorial, the main agenda for this tutorial is to show you how much apps are added in a single app. So every app that is required, most of the apps related to marketing, you can find it in this single app. So sticky add to cart, related products, recently viewed, animated add to cart, icon, cart count, and wish list, cost, scarcity, countdown timer, shipping information, size chat, back in stock. And this is like email marketing, but currently I don't want to add this feature. It is not required for me. Product labels, if you want to add the label for a product, like you want to add this is hot selling product, and you want to add uh, our chef recommended, like you are selling some food on the you are selling some fast food on your website, and you want to add like chef recommended. So you don't have to indulge with the coding. You just have to activate the product labels, and the label will be added with each product. This is something normally people hire developers for, and now you don't have to hire the developer. You just have to click on product label and select the product and add the label name, and then it will be added for the product that you select. Like it, this product is activated, and then so let's create the product label for casual shirts. So product label, internal label is product label, and bestseller. So yes, this bestseller is fine. And then casual shirt. Yeah, this is the product, and then I'll select this product. So this is how it will show on the product bestseller. You can add like hot selling, something like this, and it will show on the product pages as specific products as well. So we have just covered the conversion apps till now. We have left with UX, upsells, trust, marketing, AI tools, and products. So this is how big this app is, and now you will have an idea why I say that this app is the cheapest app you will see in the market in $30, and again with the 10% discount. You will not pay the $30. You will pay the 10% discount on $30, and you will get a lot of apps. So US visitor replace, so this is like in the basic plan you get to see like I believe 5,000 visitors, but if you want to see more visitors, you have to purchase upper plan of Vitals app. So for example, visitor replay, currently my store have don't have visit. Like if you have used the Lucky Orange app, this is how it works. So it works the same way. Like if you play this app, and it will show you all the user that come to your website. Like if you have a lot of users, obviously this app is not helpful for you. This specifically Vitals app is not helpful for visitor replay because you have to purchase a higher plan. It just supports the basic thing. But if you just want to have an idea, I think it's okay. You can go with it. I have a client which has a lot of sessions, so it is not helpful for that client. But I believe if you are just a beginner, this will be helpful. So currency converter is works like the normal app, so I don't have to explain it again and again. Hide dynamic checkout button. This is a thing that a lot of clients request me, that you have to hide the buy now button. How we can hide it? They hire a developer or they indulge into coding. But with this app, you don't have to do stuff. You can just activate the hide dynamic add to cart button, and it will hide the buy now button for you. Currently, it is not useful for me. And then this is one thing that is my favorite, personal favorite. Scroll top to bottom. So if you have a large, a longer product page or pages, uh, or home page, any page, it will add a it will add some an arrow for this, so arrow on the page, so that users can scroll easily on the page. I will show you how it actually works, because without showing, I think this thing specifically, I can't give any example for you. So fill animation, I also love the animation. So let's see how it actually works. I think I have to show you some bigger page just to show the tutorial, because my pages are not so big. This is just a reference, just a demo site, so I don't think we need. Yeah, this is something. So if you just scroll down, you just have to click on this button and it will take you to the top. So for example, if you have a product page which is too large, if you have a collection like which have like 50 plus products, and you are scroll down and you have to scroll up again and again, so you just have to click this button and it will take you to the top, to the header. So this is how this helpful this app is. Oh, I'm tired, to be very honest, because this has been a very lengthy tutorial, and I think 1 hour is less for this explanation of Vital app. Product description tabs. You can create the tabs for the product description, but I personally feel you shouldn't activate this one, because the best method is that you create the meta fields and then you create the product tabs. And how to create the meta fields and how to use a product meta objects, I have a separate video for that as well. Auto external links prevent users from closing your store when opening external links by automatically opening them in new tabs. This is really important. So for example, when you activate this one, so if someone clicks on any external link, the it will open the link in the new tab, not it will close your store. So for example, if someone clicks on Amazon on your website, so if you have added the Amazon link, it will not do something like this. It will close the your current store tab and then open Amazon. It will open Amazon in the new tab. By default, it will add the functionality that the links will be open in the new tab. This is really helpful. Let's activate this one. So enable auto external links. So the next very important app is instant search, and instant search is really helpful for the stores with a large catalog. Like if you have more than 10 collections or something, like you have 100 plus products, this is really helpful for you because it gives the prediction. Like you search in Google and you see the predictive search text, it will also show the same thing stuff. So what you have to do, you have to just click on this one, and I think it will not be helpful for my store, because my store has less products, and I think it has no use for the store with less products. So this is how it is activated, and obviously once you refresh it, you will see the difference. Let me also show you, but my store is not the perfect example for this app specifically. So yeah, let me type, and as you can see, what are you looking for? The interface for the search has been changed. So I will try to type casual, and as you can see, this is the predictive search. It looks really cool. This is how it works. It is different from the default search Shopify search. So just imagine if you have a large catalog and how helpful it would be for your store. So that's how it works. So let's move towards some other apps. So there are some apps which are very easy to understand. I will not give the complete explanation for them. Obviously, I will give more time to the apps that require the explanation. And quick access link, that is just for the admin panel, that you can quickly access the links that you need again and again. Like the most sections that you use again and again, you can just create a shortcut for that one. So quick access link, you can also activate that, but this is not required. This is not some, as you can see, this is how it works. So it just displays a bar at the top of the admin panel so that you can access the most important stuff. Okay, so now WhatsApp chat, Messenger chat, Instagram chat, this works the most easiest way, and this is really helpful. And just imagine you are getting all the apps in one single app. WhatsApp chat, you can enter your WhatsApp number and your customers will be able to connect with you. The Messenger chat, you can connect your Facebook page and then Instagram page, and it will work the same way. Let me explain you one of the things. So create live agent, you have to create the agent and then you have to activate the app. Like platform, I select the number, for example. Okay, so this is the number, and select platform, which is WhatsApp. So you can select a lot of platforms like TikTok, Apple, Snapchat. So name is Ahmed, and sport agent. Sorry, sport agent. And then it will show something like this. Okay, now click on save, and the other app will also be the other chat will be also be activated in the same way. So let's activate, and then so all the chats have been activated now. Although I have not enabled the messenger chat, but messenger chat will be activated once you add your once you connect your Facebook account or something like this. So let's refresh it, and then let's see where it displays. Actually, as you can see, WhatsApp has been displayed on the at the bottom. So this is how it works. Need any help? Ahmed Sport Agent is available, and it will take you to the website. So I hope it is really easy for you to understand. So up till now we have covered conversion and UX. Now we will come towards the trust, marketing, a little bit of AI tools, but not necessary, and then protect. And then the main crux of this app is the upsell. And here you can find like hundreds of dollars of worth of apps in a single app. So let me give you the quick view of the other apps. Like if you go to the trust, you can easily add product reviews and you don't need any other reviews app specifically. But if you have some criteria, obviously you can go for Loom. I highly suggest the Loom app. It has a lot of features. But if you want to stick to basic, this product reviews does the justice. There's no issue at all. And obviously you can also import the reviews from the other apps as well. If I activate the app, so it has the option to import the reviews from other apps, from AliExpress, from CSV. So it works the same way like the other apps, and there is no issue. And to understand this app, and it works the same way. Like you can add the featured, and then you can modify the do the moderation for the reviews. You can review the reviews, and you can request the reviews. You can just group the reviews and something like this. If you have used any other app before, reviews app, you will not feel any issue by using it. So I'm not taking more time to explain it. Like if you go to the moderation, you will no reviews waiting for moderation, and then you can just see how much reviews you received. And just to tell you that the reviews have been implemented on product page, you don't have to do anything else. Once you activate the app, there will be no issue. You don't have to do anything else. So then you have the recent sales notification. You see the a little bar at the bottom of the page in most of the stores that recently X number of people purchased the store purchased this product recently. So you can do something like this. You can activate this app and it will work the same way. And we will click on recent sales notification, and I will show you how it actually works. So this is how it works. As you see, someone from, for example, America purchases product, and the best thing about this app is you get a lot of templates as well. And then you have the payment logos. You can have the payment logos. It has a lot of built-in payment logos. You can just click on payment methods, and you can add the Apple Pay, Google Pay, you can add the Visa, Mastercard, MX. All the options are available. You can just change the position as well. And then also you have got the trust seals and badges. Very important, very important. You should add the trust seals and badges, and it works the same way. You just have to activate the trust seals and badges, and it will work the same way. And then the Shopify in Instagram feed, this is optional. You can tag products in your Instagram post and display the gallery. So this is optional. And then we will go to the marketing, and this is the urgency thing, and this is important. You should implement. And let me show you this one. This is important. So it shows the urgency message on the cart page. What you have to do, you have to just click on activate app, and all the apps activation is very similar. You just have to click on activate, and it will work the same way. So show countdown timer. Yes, I want the timer. So let me add something to cart. So it is already in cart. Let me show you how it actually looks like. An item in your cart is high demand. Complete in order to make sure it's yours. 10 seconds, 10 minutes are left. So this is how it works. It's very important. I personally believe this is one of the best things you can do. Email marketing, you can use the automatic funnels, and this is also included in the Vitals app. The best thing is it is also included in the app. Use automatic funnels and one-time campaigns with branded and personalized emails to build trust and increase customer loyalty. Pop-ups, you can also add the pop-up like you use the apps or the Shopify built-in. It is a little advanced. Also add the pop-up, and then this is related to SEO. You can add the all tags to images automatically. And then announcement bar, you can add the customized announcement bar. Then the Facebook pixel, this is push marketing. Like the push marketing was something like this. I will click on activate app, and then we'll see how it actually works. Abundant card is obviously, if you want to welcome someone, if you want to just give them a reminder about the abundant card, you can just activate it. Push marketing, like it will show them a notification that in the Google Chrome, like if you're using Google Chrome, it will give you a notification. You have seen in a lot of stores that you just get a notification from Google Chrome, so it will do the push marketing for you. You will see the notification in Google that you have just uh, miss the product, and you should actually activate you should purchase this product, something like this. So we will activate this one, and this is how it looks like. Weight value must be greater or equal to 1. Weight value, okay, let's see. Okay, sorry. So yes, so it will wait for some time and then display the message. And then we have captured the push marketing, social media buttons. You can display the social media buttons on the store. This is really cool, and one of my clients liked it so much that he says that this is one of the coolest features, and it displays the social media channels on the left side. Like you can customize the vision on the left side of your screen, and it just motivates your customers to just click on your social media link. Spin the wheel, this is like you have seen in a lot of apps, and it just your customers have to spin the wheel that they get a discount and something like this. And let me show you the demo here. This is how it works, and this is the wheel. As you can just add the custom discounts and all the stuff, and your customers will enter the email, and then they will just get the discount. So we have covered most of the stuff. We have covered the trust vector, product reviews, reasons, sale notification. I've explained the concept. Not I have tried to implement all the apps, but I have given you the idea. Then we go to the marketing card notice. It's already active. You can create the agency, and then you can create the pop-up, push marketing, social media button, and spin the wheel. I've given you the concept. AI tools is something you have to purchase a plan currently. I'm not on the paid plan, so I won't be able to use the features, but I can show you how it actually works. So for example, AI image expand, if I click on it, and it is how, if you have the image which is not in the dimension, it will expand that image, and it is like 0.25 per image. Okay. And then, like, if you go to AI video gen, is also paid, and create your first video. Okay, let's create the first video. I think the first video is free, something like this. So let's create this one. Okay, analyze product. So let's see the magic. Okay, fingers crossed. Let's see how much time it takes. So it is generating the video. Choose your best visual. So this is the best video for me, and product description is LCD writing tablet for kids. So I think I will go. Okay, continue with default assets. I'm testing it also for the first time. So video length 15 minutes is okay. And kids, Gen Z, okay. Then generate the script, and we are trying to create the video. Choose your favorite script. So it is very cool. I'm currently using, not using. I'm just exploring the Google Veo 3, and I will try to compare it with that one. So storytelling is good. Uh, I think this is good. Select avatar, and let's see how it actually goes. So I like this one. So not including the free trial, $5 per 5-second video. So I think it will ask me to pay for it. So $5 per no, I have to purchase a plan. So so this is how it actually works. I don't have to purchase a plan just for the video. I hope you understand that I'm just trying to skip the things that require money. So AI background remover, obviously it was the same as like most of the AI apps. Uh, and this is, let me tell you, this is feature is also available in the Shopify by default. So if you have uploaded the product images in the products, so you can just click on that image and it will do the thing for you. So it is also free images left. So this is how it works. I think I don't have to explain this stuff because the video is already very lengthy. We have to cover a lot of stuff. So we'll go towards the apps, and then we will go to protect. We go to bestseller protection. If you want to prevent your customers from seeing the bestseller products, you can just click on it and it will hide the bestseller products. Content protection is active. No one can right click on your store. Like if I try to right click, is not enabling me to right click. So it is working fine. Cookie banner, the banner that you see in the stores normally. So this is for the this is included in the app. And agree to terms checkbox. You can also just display a pop-up, something like pop-up to, so that customers can click on it, that they agree to the Europe regulations on processing personal data. This is how. So let's come to the, what's the most important stuff for this app, and that is the upsells. This is the crux of the app, and you can't miss any of this stuff. I personally believe you should not enable every app in the upsell, because it will just annoy your customers. If you want, you can just enable product bundles, and then you can display, you can add the spending goals and gift. That will be enough. You don't have to activate every app, because you don't have to stuff the things to your customers and then annoy them. So for example, if there is a product bundle, this all the apps are included in a single app. This is the best thing you can see. The marketing apps are really expensive. If you just go to the Shopify app store, and you will see the price of each marketing app is too much, and this vitals app in $30 they are giving you like upselling app. I'm sorry, I was referring to upselling app. 1 2 3 4 5 6 apps in one, 6 upsell apps in one app. So this is crazy. This is best thing. So product bundles, you go to product bundles, and then I will create the bundles. Currently my store is lacking the consistency of the products, but I will just show you how it. So product from slot A, I think I will select a product. So So no, I think I will let the Vitals app choose the product because my apps are not so good, products are not so good. So I will go towards a discount now. Discount is 10%. So I will be generous. I will give 15% against and how to display. You kindly bought together, add to cart. So desktop. So yes. Continue to preview. Let's see how it actually looks like on the real device. And then I will click on publish enable app. So view this offer on store. Okay. Let's see how it actually works on the store. So let me show you how it actually looks like. So currently the position is currently put together, and this is how it looks like. So it has picked the random products, and also you can select the variant, or you can say yes, or you can select another product. If you can want to select another product, like I want to select another product, and it will you can change the product actually, and it will add to cart automatically. Also, you can see the notification, the pop-up notification that we just enabled before, and then you can also see the product reviews tab. So this is the recent sales notification, or you can say the thing that we just, that was actually the push marketing that we enabled. So I just forgot the name. This is the push marketing. As you can see, it looks really good. So one thing I just want to show you, that once you added like 20 of the Vitals app, make sure that they actually look good. You have to customize the settings, you have to customize the design, so you have to change the position so that they actually looks good on the store. For this tutorial, I'm not focusing on this thing. I'm not focusing on design. I'm not focusing on the layout and the storytelling for your brand. But you have to make sure that it actually aligns with your brand. I'm just trying to show you the features of this app. So as you can see, currently on the product page, there are a lot of features, and have not enabled all the things. I have not enabled the payment icons. I have not enabled the trust logos. I have not enabled most of the stuff, but still it is a lot of the things are bombarded. So make sure that it actually aligns with the brand. This is really important. This is really important. So there are a lot of stuff that is really important. But if you feel that you don't need most of the stuff, like if you just need 25 apps out of 40, that's enough. No need to activate each and every app. This the best thing about Vitals app is that you almost find all the apps in a single app, so you can enable disable at every time, at any time. So let's move towards our final section. So I think we have covered most of the stuff. So product bundles, and then the volume discount is also activated. I don't know. I don't activated it. It has activated by default. So you can disable it if you see something which is activated by default. You can just delete the stuff. So as I have come to this volume discount, it has okay. I'm letting Vitals app to choose any app it wants. So this is how it will look like, and then I will add the discount, the percentage, the one. If the quantity is one, no discount. If the quantity is two, 10% discount. If the quantity is three, I will give like 15% discount. So this is really easy to implement. There's nothing you have to hire a developer for this thing. So radio selection, if you want to add the badges, if you want to add the table, personally like table. It is so beautiful. You can change the colors, and then you can just continue to review, and then uh, you can publish volume discount, and I will show you all the stuff later on how it actually looks like. So I think I don't have to open the store each and every time to see to show you how it actually buy X get Y. So this is similar to like product volume discount, but obviously it is a little different. So how it works, I will show you. I will not try to implement this one. I think uh, I have to create something. So this is how it works. So buy one get another product for 10% off. So buy one product and then get another product for 15% off. This is how this thing works. So I think we don't have to enable. I will just giving you the concept. It works the same way. So spending goal, you can just add the spending goal. Like, this is really important. I highly recommend you that you should add this app. Like if you spend $5,000, you get a 10% discount, or you can give an incentive to your customers. So this level is really crazy in the Vitals app, and it you will see that it has done the justice. So this is how it was: spend $20 more to get that 10% discount. So it will show you the like a game. You have to spend more to get more. Okay, to get the discount. So continue to discount, and then the spending goal is like I think $100 is enough. I just exaggerated $5,000. So you will get a 10% discount, okay, and then you can add another tire. Also, if you spend $200, you get the 20% discount, and the appearance. It's let's continue with the default, and then we will click on publish goal. This goal is really helpful, okay, and then let's discover another one. So gift, you can also add the gift option for your customers. So let's see how it actually works, because I haven't created this for one of my clients. So yes, congratulations, you are enabled to uh, receive a free gift. So how it works actually, I think it will enable you to just enter the email or something like this. Let's check, because this is something I haven't tested it for my clients. So discount the entire goal was select to spending goal. Okay, $150, and then yes, this is like the similar. This is the similar thing like uh, that we just saw. So I think we should not enable this thing. The gift and the spending goal is almost similar. So we will enable one thing only. So I will deactivate this app. This is I think this concept is a little different, but I believe we already have activated this thing, so we don't have to worry about the stuff. And then you can say one click post purchase. So this is a little advanced thing, and after the checkout, it will give you an option that you can just discover this product, or you can claim this product, and you can add it into the same order. So you can just also activate it. It works the same way. So enable app. So you have to go to Shopify settings, and then click on checkout post purchase. Then you have to activate that app, and then only this app will work. Otherwise, it will not work. So I think the concept is clear to you, but I will show you this app as well. This is, I promise, this would be the last app tutorial for this video. And I know this video has been pre-longed because the features are too much, and we can't skip any of the important stuff. So I will show you how it actually works. But let's check the stuff why this is not showing as activated, because I just activated this thing. Activate product, I don't know why it is not activated. So if you see any issue, you have to activate this thing. So if you see this activated, and if there's no gift created, you don't have to worry about it. You have to be smart enough to figure out if the app is showing any issue. You have to just click on that app, and you will just have to figure out whether it is activated or not. That's it. So one click post purchase, let's customize it, create one purchase. Okay, so you have to open the Shopify settings, and then what you have to do, you have to select settings, checkout. Okay, this is a little lengthy step. Layout, and then we have to go down to something. Yes, you have to activate the Vitals app here, and then you have to click on save. That's it. So basically, it is requesting us a permissions for checkout. Shopify normally don't allow such permissions unless they are highly required, and the store admin actually gives the permission. So now you can activate this thing. So trigger condition, display condition, and product, and which offer you want to show. Same product as ordered, least expensive. So you can just show the product that you want. Like yes, I want to show the customer the most expensive product. I think the least expensive is good, and then you can give them the 15% discount. So once they are trying to complete the order, you just give them another gift, like just add the same product in cart for $15 off, 15% off. So I think customize the design is not necessary, and then continue towards this thing. And I will not be able to test this app because obviously it requires me to purchase a product, and I can't. This is a development store, and I can't do this thing. So I hope that all the tutorial is completed, and the stuff is clear to you how this app is useful to you. So this has been a very long tutorial. Obviously, I have tried to explain each and every app, and if not, I have implemented that. I have tried to show you the concept how this app actually works, and you can see we have implemented a lot of apps like conversion. We have activated a lot of apps, and the upsell we have shown almost every app. And just see, if the product is shown as active, it doesn't mean that it will be displayed on your store. You have to create the campaign for that. For example, if buy X get one, it is, even though it is active, but there is no offer created by us, so don't worry about it. And the trust, we have explained almost all the stuff, and the product we have explained. Let's see how the things look on the product page, because some of the apps were not tested on the live store. So let's see, especially the volume discount thing. And also I will show you how you change their position, because I haven't explained that in detail. For example, if I want to change the position of volume discount, how I will do that, I will show the one for one app, and you will be able to replicate it for any app, vital app you want. So I'm referring to any app in the vital app, so you can change it. So I'm trying to figure out where is the volume app. Yes, as you can see, buy more save more, so it is also shown there. And I think we have to check the spending goal as well. Okay, let's see what's our if the spending goal is working correctly or not. So while it's showing as 9,000, so I think we have to choose something cheaper, so that we can see the spending goal. So why it is 29,000? I think there has been some issue with the pricing of it. Yes, I believe. No, I think we won't be able to check out. Just give me a minute. I will change the settings, and then I will get back to you. So quick update, I just changed my clothes and also figure out the issue what was causing the ridiculous pricing on the store. So before a few days, I changed the currency to USD. By default, it was PKR. That's when it was creating the issues. I again reverted back into PKR, and now the spending goal is working absolutely fine. There is no issue at all. So I've changed this one, and then in spending goal, I have changed the discount of, if customer spends 5,000 PKR, he or she will get the 10% discount, and then the 7,000 he will get the 20% discount. One thing I just want to make sure that you understand, that if you go to appearance and then you have to click on display, make sure to make this distance 400. Distance from top would be 400, because if you use the default setting, it will not show the spending goal icon like this. Okay, so this is the thing that I have tested multiple times. So you have to add this 400, and now let's see if either it is working or not. So I have refreshed the screen, and now as you can see, the spending goal icon is here. So I have currently spending like 2,600 rupees, and now let's see if the spending goal icon is throughout the website or not, because this is the most important thing to check. So as you can see, even it is not a product page, it is still showing on the home page. So this is really good thing. So as you can spend 2344.18 rupees and 10 get 10% discount. So I will try to add some more products just to make sure that I reach the milestone. So I click on add one, and let's see if it works. So congratulations, you get 20% discount on this order. So this is really, really, really cool. I love this feature. And I think that everyone should enable this feature. This is one of the coolest things. as you can see. And as you can see, you get a 20% discount for this order, and spending goal reached. I have spent more than the spending goal, and then I have get the discount. So I hope the things are. Now it's time for something really important that I explained earlier, that I will show you how you can change the position of any app. For example, this is the product page and I want to change this position, or I want to change the volume discount position. So the steps for this are very simple. Let me show you. So for example, this is the product page and this is the product information. If you want that you want to display anything below buy now buttons, how you can do it? You can just click, you have to click on product information, and just above the buy now button, for example, I want to add something above it. I will add the block, and you will see all the vital blocks here, all the necessary vital blocks here. Add to wish list you can add here, add all reviews badge you can add here, back in stock button you can add here, buy one get one free, countdown timer you can add here, go to wish list you can add here, and payment logos you can add here if you have enabled the payment logos. So all the stuff you can just add here. For example, just want to add the stocks currently just before above buy now button. So all the apps of the vital app are in here. So I will just click on this one, and just below the quantity selector you will see the stocks currently. Now I can change the position, I can add it before the description, I can add it after the description. I will just have to just as you can see, hurry, only 32 units left in stock. For example, if I want to add it before after the buy now button, so I will just drag it down and do it something like this. And now let's see how it actually works. Sometimes it takes a few minutes because the theme customization is a bit slow in Shopify. And as you can see, it is below the buy now. So this is the method number one. Method number two, for example, if I I'm just trying to explain you the easiest method. So if you just select the volume discount, for example, I'm trying to explain you how you can change the position. So okay, yes, you can also you can use the HTML snippet for this one. For example, this is, I'm just trying to make sure that I copy the right button. So either you can do the first method that I showed you using Shopify editor, and then the other is using HTML script snippet, and then for volume discount use this code. So I will copy this code, and then I will go to theme customization and just yes, just below here I will try to see the custom liquid, whether it is whether it displays correctly or not. I will, because the first method works perfectly every time. I'm just trying to show you the second method whether it works, because some people prefer to use custom liquid. So I will select this one, and then I will add this. If ID is equal to bundle list volume discount. So just after the, yeah, it is working fine. So no worries at all. I was a little scared whether it's working or not, but after the buy now button, if you just click on custom liquid and you can add the code for all the apps of surgery, same. The Vitals app will give you a code, with a custom code that you can add it anywhere, the custom HTML or custom liquid, and you can just add the code and it will add the app there. So I think that's it for the tutorial. I have explained almost every stuff of this app, and to be very honest, if I try to explain each and every app of this Vital app, it will take like, it will be a 3 hour tutorial, and this would be a world record, that 3 hour tutorial for a single app. But I think I don't want to make this world record. But if you see the product page, the Vitals app is crazy. I tell you seriously, you can add a lot of stuff. Currently, I have not added all the stuff. I have not added the payment icons. I have not added anything else. You can say the trust badges, but still it is so filled and it looks so professional. So this is the sticky add to cart, and then you see the card goal, and then you see the wish list, and then you see the volume discount and stock scarcity, and then the bouncing of add to cart, and then obviously you can change the position. If you go down, you see the product reviews, and customer also bought, recently viewed, frequently bought together, all the stuff. You can do some crazy stuff. So also, as this product page is too longer, I will just click on this one and it will go to the top, and this is the WhatsApp. So I hope the tutorial for this is understood by you, and if you feel any issue, please leave a comment to me. And don't forget to get the 10% discount by the link in the description. I will add the link in the description of this video, and you can avail 10% discount plus 40-day free trial. Thank you very much.